Hi guys, welcome back to our show. This is Toy Friendly Unbox, where we feature the hottest toys in the market today. And as you can see, ito yung bubuksan natin today, yung Mastercraft Batman. This is the modern suit. Ito yung nakita natin sa based on the Flash movie, the recent Flash movie na si Ezra Miller yung bida. So definitely Michael Keaton version to. And this particular statue na limited edition is also from Beast Kingdom. So Mastercraft Beast Kingdom made this limited edition statue, numbered. And ito yung bubuksan natin. So before anything else, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And also please do visit our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly. And kung gusto yung bumili nito, nasa Shopee rin, and the rest of the items na for sale, meron tayong Shopee store, shopee.ph/toyfriendly. And ano pa inaantay natin? Here we go!
Barely making a sound, then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free.
So, bago natin buksan itong Batman statue na to, tingnan mo natin yung box. So, ito siya. Bigat din, no? Siguro mga 5 kilos. And, ano siya? If I'm not mistaken, 1/6 scale. So, mga 12 to 14 inches ang height. Ito yung box. Sealed pa siya. Yan yung cover or front ng box. Tapos may Flash logo sa top. Sa back naman, yan yung views ng statue. Makikita natin. Side view, front view. So, yun. Michael Keaton, Batman. Tapos, of course, credits and some instructions and authenticity sticker. Yan, importante yan. So, sa side, yan. Another view of the statue. Makikita natin yan. And the Mastercraft logo. And of course, on the other side, I am Batman. Alagay. I'm Batman. So, yun. DC. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung logo na yan dapat. So, yun. Buksan natin. Ito na yung natin. Official cutter. Buksan natin. So guys, up close, ito na, nabuksan na natin, and of course, naka-wrap yung mga parts niya, no? Unahin natin, ito yung base, and then, ito yata yung additional head niya. And of course, yung body ni Batman statue. So, buksan natin siya isa't isa, and tingnan natin yung itsura niya. So guys, makikita nyo, ito na yung, yung base. So, premium din talaga siya and limited edition. Napakita ko lang yung yung nakalagay sa niya, sa base niya, which is the Flash Batman limited edition number 35 of 3,000. So, 3,000 units lang yung ginawa nila na ganito. And then official siya. Yan yung mga logo, Beast Kingdom, DC logo, Mastercraft MC071. So limited edition lang to talaga, guys. Ang ganda rin ng quality ng yung base niya, mamaya i-assemble natin yan. And of course, dito sa sa package, we do have the certificate of authenticity. Makikita natin na legit to, guys. Pakita natin sa inyo. Yan, this certify The accompanying numbered limited edition Mastercraft statue is an authentic collectible product produced by Beast Kingdom Company Limited under license by blah blah blah. Of course, yun na yun. MC071 number 35 of 3000. Legit. Ito naman guys yung yung I guess yung head niya, of course. Talagang pala to, super high quality. Tingnan mo. Pati yung mga wrinkles kasama, yung wrinkles ni Michael Keaton. So, syempre tumatanda na si Michael Keaton, pero sinama nila. Yung kasamang cape yan. Mamaya pag assemble natin, ma-appreciate natin lalo kung ano yung itsura ni Batman. So for those of you who are fans of Batman, you're familiar with the Batman 89 edition. So basically, of course, Michael Keaton owns that particular moniker of Batman 89 edition. Of course, last but not the least, ito yung torso, yung body niya. Oh, solid guys. Solid na solid pagkakagawa nito. Ang ganda. Halos ayaw mo na hawakan sa sobrang ganda ng quality niya. Tingnan niyo. Sa likod. And of course, yan. Yung detail, no? Ganda. Again, hindi ito yung lumabas sa Batman 89 na original movie. Ito yung sa Flash. The Flash movie. From, I guess, last year or 2 years ago. And lumabas si Michael Keaton doon. Spoilers for those of you who haven't seen it. Pero nasa trailer naman yan. So I guess it's okay. So gagawin natin, i-assemble na natin siya para ma-appreciate natin yung full view of the Mastercraft Beast Kingdom MC071 Batman Modern Suit. Sige, assemble na muna na. Ito na guys. Assembled na siya. And wow, so makikita nyo, super realistic and talagang siya, faithful dun sa dun sa movie, sa itsura ni Michael Keaton sa movie. Yan, makikita nyo at yung modern suit, and ang gandang pan-display nito definitely. So glass cab nyo, kung may glass cab kayo and may collection kayo ng mga Batman figures and statues, eto hindi kayo masisira dito guys. Etong isa sa magandang addition sa collection. Kita nyo yung detail nito. And yung pagka-black niya, yung paint job. And ulitin ko lang, limited edition to. Number 35 out of 3,000 kung nakuha natin. And this is available sa Shopee store natin. So kung gusto nyo bilhin, and yun, limited edition lang talaga. Ang stocks natin, limited din. Ito nga palang cape niya, may wiring. So, pwede mo siyang iporma kahit paano. Kung pwede kayo mag-flyaway cape din. So, pwede yung gawin yung pose sa cape na kung ano gusto mo. Yun, ito yung base. Ano, ganda. Pati itong mga blemishes, yung mga weathering dito sa metal, ganda. Ang ganda guys. So pag inikot natin siya, so yung cape niya is halong cloth, and yun nga, may yung lining niya metal wire. So pwede mo siyang i-pose to your desired position, and yun yung isa sa mga magandang magandang qualities itong Mastercraft statue ni Batman. Sobrang ganda guys. So this is about over 12 inches in height, and yung weight niya siguro tansya mga 5 kilos. So pag papaship na lang natin kung saan ang location nyo. Yung be wary of the shipping cost lang and handling. Siyempre magdadagdag tayo doon, pero ang ganda nito guys, sulit na sulit. Yun lang, pati yung sa gloves niya, no? Yung talons. Ganda, guys. So there you go, that was a quick unboxing and review of the Batman statue from Mastercraft and Beast Kingdom. Again, this is available at our shops, online shops, Facebook and Shopee. Punta lang kayo, facebook.com/toyfriendly and sa shopee.ph/toyfriendly. And I'll see you there. Cue for montage.
Through every storm will make us stand. Your smile's my compass, my guiding star. No matter how far, we'll go where we are. Every step, every breath, it's a dance. In your eyes I found my chance. I'll break you free, no longer restrained. In your light I found my name. You got me so unwrapped and unboxed. All my secrets laid bare.
And guys, so that was our quick unboxing and review of this Mastercraft Batman statue from Beast Kingdom, and yun, available pa to sa Shopee store and Facebook store natin. So if you're interested, please PM us, and of course we'll hook you up with this statue. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And also, if you like this episode, please feel free to give us a comment, and pwede rin kayo mag-request kung anong gusto nyo i-unbox natin. And yun, sa future episodes, try natin i-feature yung mga requests nyo. Also, please do visit our Shopee store, shopee.ph/toyfriendly, and of course our Facebook store natin, facebook.com/toyfriendly. And again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.